Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Nissan Pathfinder, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at how we completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by removing cargo area trim. Use a trim panel tool to remove the carpeted trim from the back seat. Now remove 3 fasteners from the cargo box using a 10mm socket. Remove the rear scuff panel by gently pulling up. Use a trim panel tool for leverage if you need. We can now gently pry the cargo box out of the vehicle. You can now lift the cargo box out of the vehicle. Expose a fastener on this tow hook. Use a flathead screwdriver to open the cover and use a 10mm socket to remove the fastener. Gently pull the trim away from the vehicle. One clip here, one clip here. This now exposes the adapter for the wire jumper and the relay. Install the provided blue relay onto the jumper. There is a foam pad that can help deaden the sound with vibrations. Install the jumper into the vehicle harness. And now zip tie the relay into position. On the passenger side of the vehicle, near the tailpipe, you will find the remainder of the tow harness. Remove this cap using a small flathead screwdriver. Now plug in the 4-flat harness and route the 4-flat adapter to the bracket. Pass your 4-flat harness between the brackets and above the hitch until you can bring it to the bracket mounting area. In order to hide the colors of the wire on a black-on-black situation, I like using electrical tape. Now pass the 4-flat connector through the hitch flange if provided. Install the retention strap of your dust cover. This bracket is not provided with the kit, but you can pick one up at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center or order one from the link in the description below. We're going to flip it up for a more streamlined look. Tighten using a 3/8 wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Now pull the 4-flat connector into position, give it a wiggle till it seats between the teeth, and cover it with the cover. We're now going to pull the slack of the wire to the passenger side and use a zip tie to secure it to this bracket we hid it behind. With your trailer wiring active, you can now reinstall all the trim. That concludes trailer wiring for your Nissan Pathfinder. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and I can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.